So let's open her up. Ready? Oh, hello there. Allie and Mary from Two Tiny Wings here. Once again, we are going to be spreading a little bit of magic. If you have been watching our channel for a while, you have noticed that recently we have moved from park vlogs and advice to more unboxings and giveaways. The reason for that is that we ourselves are not going to be able to get back to the parks for a little while. And so we have kept the magic going in our house by ordering pins and our Bibbidi Bobbidi box subscription. And so we want to help spread that magic to some of you. Thank you to all of you who have subscribed since we started this. If you haven't yet, definitely subscribe so that you can be eligible to win in some of our future giveaways. On that note, Mary, what are we opening today?
Our next Bibbidi Bobbidi box.
Woo! Yes, we have our June Bibbidi Bobbidi box here. It came shrink wrapped. It feels all full. So let's see what's inside. We're gonna take off the shrink wrap. The first thing is the absolutely adorable box. Last time we saw the stormtroopers. This time what catches my eye is the up box and the teacups. The teacups are one of my particularly favorite rides. And so this is just absolutely, completely adorable. So let's open her up and see what we have. Ready? Purple!
Ooh! Star Wars! Star Wars!
All right, we are going to put the spoiler packing slip to the side because we obviously don't want to know what's in there. And our card this go round.
It's a little Ewok.
Yes! Those adorable little bears, Ewoks?
No, they're not bears, but they're like a different species.
Bear-ish. Happiness is a state of mind. It's just a chord. Do you shake your head? As I'm reading this tender little sentiment, our Ewok is telling us happiness is a state of mind. It's just according to the way you look at things. I absolutely love it. And then on the back, we can see that our box this month was curated with love by Becky. So let's see what Becky has in store for us. As I said, yes, glitter and purple. Purple is my favorite color, so that is a wonderful way to start things. Last month, if you saw our video, you saw that we ended up with something that was on our wish list. I didn't have anything on a wish list. Our preferences are neutral as far as gender, and we marked Kid at Heart. Now, as far as some of our favorites, we put that we love Figment as the mascot of our channel. We like Nightmare Before Christmas. That is one of Mary's favorites. And we love the movie Up. And I think that was it. Can you remember anything else that we put as far as preferences?
I have no idea.
All right, let's see. Let's see. I feel a box. And I feel a box. So let's open her up. Ready? It's a red box. It's a red box.
What does a red box mean?
She doesn't know what that means. That means that there is a Jim Shore sculpture in this box. It's a sculpture. It's a sculpture. It's a red box. It's a red box. Okay. 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 All right. All right, so as last time, there is a bunch of stuffing in here, which is good to ensure that nothing gets damaged in flight, shall we say? Now, I'm going to cover up the sides. Jim Shore box. What is this? This is very, very exciting. These are little sculptures.
Ooh.
So let's see what we have. All right, cover up the sides. We're gonna open her up.
Okay, it's a little.
Mary's gonna open her up. Got him. And inside there's gonna be a little styrofoam. This is very exciting.
Oh, it's taped.
It's taped. Grab us some scissors.
No, we're strong. We're strong. Got it.
This is riveting. Okay. So, opening up the styrofoam, we have... Oh, this is adorable. It is an Eeyore ornament. Oh, this is an Eeyore, not an ornament. I saw the little gold tag. I got all excited. It's an Eeyore statue. Look at him. Oh my goodness. He is sitting here. He's got a little heart dangling from his mouth. He's sitting on a little pedestal. Look at the cute, adorable details. You can see on his back, he's got all sorts of like little, not paisleys, but a little design. And he has the little heart in his mouth with little patchwork. Oh, that is absolutely amazing and beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Let me show you the other side of them. Get the tag out of the way. Oh. Yeah, so that's the other side of Eeyore. Oh my gosh, he is amazing. There you go. Hold him.
Not a toy.
Yeah, not a toy. Definitely not a toy. So if we look on the bottom, this is the heart on a string statue. Not a toy, for decorative use only. So Disney Traditions, Jim Shore. That is absolutely fantastic, amazing, phenomenal, crazy awesome. Okay, let's put Eeyore back and see what else. Oh my gosh. Let's put him back and see if there's I feel something else. Let's put him to the side.
Okay.
Let's see what else is in our bag. Couple of things.
Ooh.
Okay, so now this is, we got an extra little bit of sparkle because last month we had to wait on something. And so they said that they would send some decals. And so we
I like stickers.
We have the Enchanted Tiki Room. Look at that little tiki. It's so colorful. Like, it just hits the colors. Oh my gosh. There. And then we have a Haunted Mansion sticker of the hitchhiking ghosts. Look at them. Oh, they are so cute. And then one of my favorites is Small World. And so we have a Small World sticker. Oh. This is fantastic. Fantastic. That's gonna go on my whiteboard. And then another, oh my gosh. Again, if you have watched any of our park videos, you will see that this hits absolutely everything that we love, because Mary is huge People Mover fan, and this is a holographic People Mover sticker. Ah! We've lost her. That's it. We've lost Mary. Okay, so those are our decals from last month, and then there is one, two.
That's not even the thing. This isn't even the thing.
Okay. She's going to like this very much. So now we have a Nightmare Before Christmas blind box pin. If we look on the back, we have 6 options that we can get, and they are
Shock, Lock, Barrel, Oogie Boogie, Sally, and Jack Skellington. It looks like it's the Loungefly backpack version.
Oh, those are so cute. All right.
Oh, I want Oogie Boogie.
So who do you want? Oogie Boogie. Yeah, again, if you saw our other videos, Mary is a huge Nightmare Before Christmas fan and a huge Oogie Boogie.
Wait, can I open it?
Yes.
Oh, it's got a little pulley tab.
Let's see. Drum roll.
Oh, Barrel!
Oh, he's cute. Oh,
so that's Barrel. This is a really cute pin, and I like it's a butterfly clip.
Yeah, it's a butterfly clip on the back instead of the regular Mickey ears, so it's not really gonna fall off.
Yeah, it's a really cute pin. It's like smooth on the top, and
yeah, that's awesome.
It's a really cute pin.
All right, and then our final thing in this box All right, so Pete and I are, as I said, very, very big Up fans, and he has an Ellie pin of Ellie as a child, and then I have a pin that I keep on my lanyard. We both teach, and so we both have lanyards, and we put pins, and so I have a Carl pin on my lanyard. He has an Ellie pin on his lanyard, and look, oh you guys, so it's a lanyard, and then it is an Up lanyard, and it says adventure is out there, and it's stretchy too, which is perfect.
There's a little like pendant that says Carl and Eddie.
Ellie. Yeah, Carl and Eddie. That's it. That is fantastic. That is adorable. That is fantastic. Absolutely adorable.
It makes a fun sound.
It does like that. I'm gonna be sitting here like my kids are gonna be watching me like, what are you doing? I said, but it makes a fun sound. That's fantastic. That's fantastic. Fantastic. I now have a new lanyard and I could not be happier. We have opened our box. We have been absolutely thrilled with everything in our box. Mary, a winner? Yeah, a winner. I mean, my advice would be if you are considering getting a Bibbidi Bobbidi box to fill out the preferences and the suggestions. It's obvious that they very much take those things into account, and I'm thrilled. So if we look at our packing slip, we got the Dreams monthly subscription box, and the decals were a limited edition sparkle edition because, as I said, of last month. The figurine is the Disney Traditions Jim Shore Eeyore Heart on a String that retails for $26. The lanyard retails for $8.95, and the blind box pin retails for $10. So the total retail value for our box is $44.95. We got the Dreams box, which is $39, and so our retail value is $44.95. Even if it had been exactly $39, I could not be happier. Mary? Yes. So they did a wonderful, wonderful job. Because we constantly want to pay a little bit of magic forward and spread some magic, we have made the decision that we are going to be giving away this Jim Shore figurine to one lucky subscriber. So here's what you need to do. From the time this video goes up, you will have 10 days. So you need to comment down below and tell us who is your favorite resident of Pooh Corner. And then make sure that you are a subscriber so that one of our subscribers can win this. And then we do a comment pick, and then one lucky person who has commented and is a subscriber on this video will win this Eeyore. So good luck to you.
Who's your favorite of the crew?
I like Piglet. I like Piglet a lot just because he's such a good little friend to Winnie the Pooh. And yours?
Eeyore.
Yeah.
If you saw our July vlog, I got a giant Eeyore stuffed animal, and it was great because then on the plane I had to just carry it so it sat in my lap and I had a little pillow to sleep on.
And he still serves as a wonderful little pillow. So yeah, Eeyore, I like his view on life, and this is the absolute sweetest. So thank you so much to Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes. This was a wonderful, wonderful job, a wonderful month. Thank you for watching. As we said, comment, subscribe, like this video to see our next giveaway and our next adventure. And with that,
we invite you to set your imaginations free.